Hey everyone, it's me, Melody. So before I start this Amazon haul, my last haul, I had hauled some stuff. So I just wanted to show the 1,000-piece charm set that I got. I have it mostly all organized. I might be changing this around a bit. And then here I added the other charm set. To here. Hey everyone, it's me, Melody. So I'm waiting for the other one of these to get here. It's like a purple set. But this is what it is. This is supposed to be 300 pieces. I don't know if it is. And then I just got 2 of these. It's like the diamond painting storage things, but I'm using it for my nail charms and beads, so I got 2 of them. So these are the 300 pink pack. There's different like animals and flowers, hearts, moons. That's a cherry. There's a bunch of bows. So that's basically it. What's in the 300 pack. I'm gonna get me more of that set. So I just got in the second charm packet. This one actually looks like the photos, unlike the pink one. But I did still like the pink one. I'm gonna sort through all this in the container, and then I'm gonna show the results of everything. I was gonna organize this, but I decided to just show everything that comes in it. So these are all the pieces that come in it. The purple set that I'm showing on the photo that they show on the site is actually what you get, unlike the pink set, but that's fine. But I am happy and pleased with all of this. So this is everything that came in that packet. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.